man was rushed to hospital on Saturday after being attacked by a gunman at his home in Goshen, St. Elizabeth. It is reported that the man, who was shot several times, pretended to be dead in an attack, which saw the gunmen also reportedly set his home ablaze after making their escape in a waiting motor car. Emergency responders who were alert to the incident arrived on the scene shortly after 1 p.m. The one-bedroom home was destroyed by the blaze. A gunman was fatally shot while trying to escape just minutes after reportedly committing a murder in Olympic Gardens, Kingston on Saturday. 2 other men believed to be cronies of the deceased man were apprehended during a follow-up operation. Reports said at about 4:30 p.m. a team of police officers were on mobile patrol when they heard explosions and went to investigate. They were reportedly challenged by the 3 men. During the melee, one of the men, who was armed with a handgun, was fatally shot. The firearm was seized. A secondary operation was conducted and the other 2 men were arrested. Businessman, founder and executive chairman of the Lascar Group of Companies, Lascelles Chin, had died. Chin died last night in Florida, United States, surrounded by family. He was 86 years old. Chin founded Lascar Distributors Limited in 1988. He was awarded the nation's 4th highest civilian honor, the Order of Jamaica, in 2001. He was also awarded 2 honorary degrees, Doctors of Law and Doctor of Humane letters from the University of Technology, Jamaica and Northern Caribbean University, respectively. 21-year-old Leon Pulkan, otherwise called Ganja Man, a farmer of Cornwall District, Hertford in Westmoreland, is facing several charges following an incident in Cornwall District in the parish on March 1. Pulkan was arrested and charged with shooting with intent, possession of a prohibited weapon, and using a firearm to commit a felony after opening gunfire on a man he had a dispute with. Reports are that about 10:30 a.m. the complainant was at home when he and Pulkan had an altercation. Pulkan left and returned shortly after with a firearm and opened gunfire in the direction of the complainant, who managed to escape unhurt. Pulkan then fled the scene. A report was made to the police and an investigation launched. Pulkan turned himself in to the Savannah police on Friday, May 26, and was charged after a question and answer session. His court date is being finalized.